Keep the profits rolling in with these affiliate tips. Are you good at sales? Would you like to make money online? Try affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a system that allows you to receive a percentage of profits from businesses who you refer clients to. In this video, you'll find some great tips that will help any aspiring affiliate marketer get started. Make sure that you are helping your readers with your affiliate ads. Instead of looking like someone who wants to cash in on a sale using a list to get people to click on affiliate links, try be detailed with a review and then plugging the link into that. Put in some effort to get them to click on your ads. Use content marketing to sell affiliate products. Most people will not buy a product through an affiliate link without any prior information about the product or what it can do for them. To increase future sales, send potential customers to an authority website where you regularly provide helpful advice related to the niche your affiliate product falls into. Include your affiliate link on the site. Separate your task list so that you do not become confused or bogged down while working as an affiliate. Personal matters can sometimes get in the way of affiliate marketing, especially if you allow them to bleed over into your work. Make sure you're doing your best to keep these two worlds from colliding. Design your site for people. A well-designed site increases the probability that your visitors will follow the path that you want them to. If your site is messy and unorganized, you will never get a customer who understands your product, let alone one that wants to buy what you're selling. Some of the advertisers who offer affiliate marketing partnerships will make special offers from time to time, not just to their customers, but to the webmasters they partner with, too. Affiliates may offer bonuses or other incentives for website owners who deliver certain kinds of traffic or help to make a certain amount of sales. Profit-minded webmasters stay on top of these offers and adjust their website advertisements, accordingly. With a little hard work and some great programs, anyone can make affiliate marketing work for them. Now that you've read the advice offered in this video, you know just what to do to make your affiliate marketing efforts a success. All that's left for you to do is get started. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.